Lesson 12.12, using the unit circle, but this time it's with reciprocal trig functions. So cosecant, remember that that is the reciprocal of sine. So we want to actually know what sine at 0 is and then reciprocate it. So I come over here to 0 degrees, sine is the y value, which is 0. Think about 0 as being over 1. I know it's weird, but 0 divided by 1 is 0. If I reciprocate that, that's going to get 1 over 0, which means this is undefined. So the reciprocal of 0 is actually undefined. Number 2 is cotangent of 240. 240 degrees is here. You should have on your unit circle that of 60s, those are square roots of 3s there. And so that's square root of 3 over 1 for tangent of 240, right? But we need to flip it and make it 1 over square root of 3, rationalize the denominator, and you get square root of 3 over 3. And so the reciprocal of square root of 3 is actually square root of 3 over 3, which shows up here. And then I've got number 3 is secant of 300 degrees, which is right here. Secant goes with cosine. Cosine at 300 degrees would be a half. And so secant of 300 degrees would be the reciprocal, which is 2 over 1 or just 2, and it would be positive. So all of those, yeah, because tangent here was positive. This was positive. All right, and then I've got secant of pi. Pi is over here. That goes with cosine. Cosine at pi would be -1. So secant would be flipping that. You can't flip -1, so that's still just -1. Secant at pi over 6, that would be right here. That goes with cosine again at pi over 6. That's the x value, square root of 3 over 2. Reciprocate that though, and you get 2 over square root of 3, which you would want to rationalize. And you get 2 square roots of 3 over 3. And then the last one, cosecant goes with sine at 7 pi over 4, which is right here. That would be your square root of 2 over 2, and then you want to reciprocate that to get 2 over square root of 2, rationalize. You get 2 square roots of 2 over 2. 2's cancel, leaving you with square root of 2. But it would be negative because sine is negative down in quadrant 4.